All right, on this problem here, we need to simplify. We need to perform this division and then see what we get. So the first thing, we have this negative 2d squared. As soon as I see that, I'm going to factor out a negative 1. So we're going to factor out a negative 1, and that's going to leave me with 2d squared minus a d minus a 15. And that's what I'm going to factor. So I'm going to do that right here. I got a negative 1. I've got to factor that. Okay, so 2d. I know it's a 2d and something and a d and something. Okay, that's what we know. Now, when I have that, let's see, 5 and 3, I need a difference of 1. If I put a 5 right here and a 3 right here, and I need to lose 1, so I'm going to put the minus. That way, 2 times 3 is negative 6, and the plus 5d. So negative 6d plus 5d gives you a minus 1d, and positive 5 times negative 3 gives me my minus 15 that I need. In the bottom, I'm going to have difference of squares, written a bit differently, but that's a 3 minus d, a 3 plus d, which is the same as d plus 3, right? Now we're dividing. That means this guy's coming to the bottom. So in the bottom, I'm just going to do it over here. You got 4d plus 1. This moves up top. Well, that's a 2d and a d. And again, you could bus b to get these answers, okay, that I've taught you. But I can sort of see for 15, I see a 3 and a 5, and I need a difference of 11. So I'm seeing a 5 here and a 3 here. That way, this gives me 6, this gives me 5, and together that's 11. And everything's addition here. Now, let's cross out, because what's ever up top can cross out with what's on the bottom. D plus 3 and D plus 3, those are gone. 4D plus 1, no, he's not going anywhere. But notice that you could take this negative 1 and distribute it through here. That'll make that become, the 3 will become positive and the D will become negative. That'll be 3 minus D. He can go with him once you do that, because that's the trick right here. That D minus 3 will change to a positive 3 and a negative D, which is what you have here, positive 3, negative D. They're going to cross out if I distribute that 1 through. So now what do you have? You have a 2D plus 5 on top and another 2D plus 5 on top over here. So that's a 2D plus 5 quantity squared. That's going in the top. And in the bottom is this 4D plus 1. Where's that? That's what's getting moved right here. There's that question for you.